Okay, so we thank you all now. We started a series. We've been on everybody's program. We done heard about it, but now the nation's program has to be talked about. So we start now with the 3 life principles that the Honorable Elijah Muhammad said: freedom, justice, and equality. We're just going from the back page of our paper, and we need to exhaust that because this is the program designed for our salvation. And the Honorable Louis Farrakhan said, it is our Constitution, okay? You know, we hope you tell some of your loved ones about our meetings on Sunday, but this Sunday at 11, we're starting to talk about the nation's program. And, you know, what is a program? And why did the Honorable Elijah Muhammad feel the need to do this in August of 1962, to put this on the back page of the Muhammad Speaks? And you know, it's a good thing because I don't know, well, some people put out brochures and say what they believe, but this stops people from speculating on what the nation teaches and what it believes. All you gotta do is get a Final Call newspaper, and one newspaper, go to the back of it, it tells you what we want and it tells you what we believe. You know, and then you could say, well, I got a problem with this point, I got a problem with that. But some of you don't know what you have a problem with because you haven't really read it. And you're not going to really get it from a conversation, as a lot of people try to extract. We're going to have to read to do that.